Hi, I'm Zukai. Today I will show you a video of infanticide. This is my topic in this assignment. This is the video by BBC Studio 2009. In this video, a new leader of the city monkeys is named to mark his territory and remove all trace of the defeated leader of the group, including any baby monkeys has fathered. So, what is infanticide? Infanticide is the act of killing young offspring within the same species, presents a stark and disturbing phenomenon that pierces the veil of the idyllic view many hold of the natural world. This behavior observed across a spectrum of animal species, from the great knights of the African savannas to the unassuming birds perched in our backyard, poses profound questions about the driving forces of nature, survival, and evolution. Where at first glance, infanticide may appear as a mere act of brutality, a deeper exploration reveals complex biological and evolutionary strategies at play. This video aims to delve into the intricacies of infanticide in the animal kingdom, examine the reasons behind this behavior, its impact on populations and social structures, and the ethic consideration it raises for human observers. By shedding light on this dark aspect of natural behavior, we seek to enhance our understanding of the natural world's com- complex, complexities and the often harsh realities governing the survival and proliferation of species. According to Strack and Jensen 2000, male infanticide is a relatively common phenomenon. Yeah, as we can see, a lot of animals may kill babies, like the nuns, the monkeys. So, infanticide is very common in nature. This behavior characterized by adult males killing of the offspring of rivals often serves multiple evolutionary purposes. Shedding light on the adaptability of infanticide as a reproductive strategy. By eliminating the young third by other males, the infanticide males can increase his own productivity opportunities, promoting quicker return to fertility in males who lose their offspring. This strategy not only underscores the ruthless efficiency of natural selection, but also introduces significant social consequences within primate groups. So, understanding male infanticide in primates offers crucial insights into the darker aspect of animal behavior and evolution. It challenges our perceptions of nature and highlights the complex strategy animals employ to survival and reproduce. As we delve deeper into the reasons behind such behavior and its implications, we uncover more about the adaptability of species and the exquisite balance of life in this world. According to Hansfater and Heidi, 2017, field studies of dairy animal species have shown an alarmingly high incidence of infanticide, the killing of offspring that are not want or otherwise dependent on their mothers. Yeah, recent field studies of multiple mammal species have shown alarmingly high incidence of infanticide, the killing of offspring that are not want or otherwise dependent on their mothers. Similarly, the studies of bird, fish, and other animals have shown a high rate of egg and larval mortality in these species, a phenomenon directly analogous to infanticide in mammals. They assessed the frequency, causes, and the effect on infanticide. Infanticide summarized current research on the evolutionary origins and the direct causality of infanticide in animals and humans. So, why infanticide happen in nature? In my video, I can give you 4 reasons. Infanticide is a disturbing yet scientifically observed behavior in this animal kingdom. Has many proposed explanations. Each may be a very different fact of the struggle for survival and productive success. So the 4 reasons for why infanticide happen in nature, I will show you next. The first reason is to promote monogamy and enhance productivity success. For male mate guarding, infanticide can lead to the evolution of social monogamy in mammals. When males commit infanticide, the strategy of mate guarding becomes advantageous. By remaining with a single female and helping to protect the offspring, a male ensures that his offspring can survival. So, and by parent care, monogamy can also arise as a defense mechanism against infanticide. With both present offspring have a greater chance of survival. This biparental care not only reduce the duration of lactation but also diminish the risk of infanticide by rival males, which can be especially important in species where the infant is vulnerable for extended period due to slower dependence. Yeah, according to Opia et al. 2013, only the presence of infanticide can reliably increase the likelihood of a shift to social monogamy, which allows for secondary adoption of parental care. In his study, where social monogamy or pair living in common among birds, it's rare among mammals where gestation and lactation favor males in seeking additional mating opportunities. Many hypotheses have been proposed to explain the evolution of social monogamy in mammals. As a male mate protection strategy because of the benefits of biparental care, or as defense against infantical males. However, comparative analysis does not address the root of monogamy. Primates are unusual among mammals in the monogamy involved independently in all major clades, but the most compelling explanation for the emergence of monogamy is male infanticide. Only the presence of infanticide reliability reliably increases the likelihood of transition to social monogamy, whereas monogamy allows for secondary adoption or parental care and is associated with transitions to the discrete range. The origin of social monogamy in primates is best explained by the longer lactation period caused by later puberty, which makes primate infants particularly vulnerable to infanticide males. We show that biparental care shortens relatively lactation duration, thereby reducing infanticide risk and increasing productive rate. This phylogenetic analysis support that infanticide plays a key role in the social evolution of primates and by extension humans. And the second main reason is to provide nutrition and survival opportunities. In times of scarcity, infanticide may offer a direct nutritional benefit to the perpetrator. Some species may resort to cannibalizing the young of their own species as a survival mechanism, especially in harsh environmental conditions where food sources are limited. According to Evans Badger 1998, non-parental infanticide behavior can provide some nutrition benefits for offenders. Benefits may be gained when an individual commits non-parental infanticide. Non-parental infanticide may provide nutrition benefits to the perpetrator, increases access to limited resources, increase productivity opportunities, or may prevent the misdirection of parental care to unrelated offspring. The possibility that infanticide is a neutral or maladaptive behavior was also considered. For non-parental infanticide, maybe their partners or their partners' parents, they may care other people's children. They may eat their children for nutrition. Just like the snake, the nuns, or monkey, or even mice or human. In ancient, when people are starved to die, they may eat other people's children so that they will not die. And the third reason is to control population density. Because our source is limited, so killing other people's children may increase their survival ability. When they kill other people in their population, their within population competition will decrease, so that they will have more food, they will have more source to survive. According to Infanticide, the killing of infants in human history for fun. In this video on YouTube, this is a video. In this video on YouTube, the video should told us that in ancient Europe, disabled and deformed babies were killed or abandoned, and in ancient China, there was a custom of killing baby girls. Religious infanticide is also practiced in other countries around the world. They may kill the disabled babies because if they kill disabled babies, they will keep the babies whose body condition is better, so that their offsprings will live longer. And they will, if they kill the disabled baby, they will decrease the custom of food or money. So human may kill their disabled baby. This is bad information, and this is the dark side of human history. And the fourth reason is to secure competitive advantage for offspring. They may kill offspring of others, so that their baby will so that their own baby's competition pressure will decrease, because their population is decreased. And if they killed other people's baby, their own babies will find more food, more sources, more water, or for humans, their babies may have more money. So this is a strategy to reduce future productivity competition for their own offspring. According to the Animal Mother Who Care for Power, BBC Earth, the mammoth mother attacked the young of other mammals to ensure the best future for their offspring. So this is an example that animals or humans kill other people's offspring to help their own offspring to survive in nature, because their own offspring will have less survival stress. So, as I post this video about infanticide, we can't help but ponder the complexity of the animal kingdom and its harsh reality. the new leader's power making and purging of the offspring of the pre predecessor were perhaps seen in nature as a necessary survival strategy, also challenges our understanding of compassion and morality. These examples are not just a struggle for survival, but mirror themes of power and inheritance in our own societies. By looking at these non-human social structures, we are able to reflect deeply on the roots of human behavior and how we position ourselves on a symbiotic planet. Thank you for exploring it all with me, and we look forward to bringing more relativation about the natural world in the future. And this is my references list. I know I have to provide my references list. So this is the page of my references. So thank you for listening and watching my video. Thank you.